So, this text frame will become soon a button, and it will have an action onto the text that is on the right. But first, we have to transform the text on the right into a button itself, because a button can only act on another button, not a text frame. So I have to transform those two frames into one button, and then we will deal with that button here. So select all, both of the frames here, select them with the black arrow. Okay. We will group them with object group. Now you see a little dashed lines which indicates this is a group. And then when you click on any of the frames, the other one is selected too. Of course, it is a group. We go into the buttons panel, because this is just a group, it's not a button. So you go into Window, Interactive, and you ask for buttons and forms. Window, Interactive, buttons and forms. You have your group selected. You ask here for a button. Then you have a little, when you are in normal display mode, here, you should see a little icon of and the button. It means it is a button. In the buttons and forms panel, you are able to put back frames into normal frames, just like that, convert to object. It's not a button anymore. If you ask for it to be a button, it's a button. Okay, so that's the way you are able to put back a button into normal frames, regular frames, not buttons. But here, I should have a button, so I ask for a button. Okay, let's rename the button. I will name it Black Dog and text. Do not use too long names. Above 32 characters, it is too long. It will cause problems to InDesign interactivity. I will put a little dash here instead of the space. That way I'm web compliant. The names are web compliant. It's even better. Never start a name with numbers. Do not exceed 32 characters and put dashes instead of spaces. And also do not use accented characters as you find them in French. It will cause problems. So, good question. That button, the purpose, it will not do anything. When you click on it, it will not release any action, but it has to be a button in order to be seen by the other frame, which will be a button. So, that's why we converted the frames into one button. We put them into the interactivity of InDesign. It will be usable by other buttons. But it will not be a button itself which triggers anything. Okay? It could, but it will not. That's just text frames.